So this is the setup for our simple project. We have our Arduino board here. We have connected 6 LEDs on pin 2 to 7, and the LEDs are connected to 120 ohm resistors that have to be grounded. So this is a simplified diagram of our setup. It is made using the freezing software, which is also free software online. So you can see here we have our Arduino board connected to 6 LEDs from pin 2 to pin 7. Then the ground pin is connected to the side of the 220 ohm resistors. So this is the program. It is made using the Arduino IDE, which is also free software you can get online. So the program can be written in a number of ways. I'm going to show you two of them, one for the beginners and another one for more advanced users. This first one is for the beginners, which begins by declaring the pins. For example, here we have used pins 2 to 7, and we need a timer. Usually we use our timer in microseconds, so we are going to use 100 microseconds as our timer. In other words, that's the time needed for the change of blinking from one LED to another. Then we need to initialize or declare the mode of our pins. So of course these are all output pins from pin 2 to pin 7. Then the logic for the program is very simple. Just make one pin high, then wait for a few microseconds and make it low. By high we mean, when we say high we mean on, low we mean off. So we begin by pin 2, make it high, then wait for 100 microseconds and then put it off. Wait for 100 microseconds, then you make pin 3 high. After 100 microseconds, make pin 3 low. So the sequence goes on like that, like that, like that. Then when you reach pin 7, then you have to go back to pin 6 high, like that. That is the simple logic behind the program. Now for more advanced users, we can use a more technical program. In this case we are using arrays, so you don't need to write a lot of code and all. We just use all the declarations at once. So we declare all the pins 2 to 7 here at once, and then you begin the count and timer. Then we are using the for loop. So this is for more advanced users. Because this project is for beginners, I won't go too much into detail for this, but as you go on you will understand the meaning of all this code. For now, let's concentrate more on this beginner code. So after writing your code, you have to compile to check if there are any errors. That is, just click here to verify. Then after compiling, you upload to your Arduino board to see the output. So we are compiling now to see if there are any errors in the program we have written, because this is a long program, so the compiling can take some time. But like for the other program where we have used the for loop, to compile it takes a little time because the code is very short. So the compiling is done. So now when you want to upload it, you click here to upload. Then after uploading, we shall see what happens to the output. This is the result of our program. It's a night rider, simply blinking over LEDs from one side to the other side and then back, like that in a sequence, depending on the time. For our time now we are using 100 milliseconds, but if you reduce the time, when the blinking will reduce. Yeah, this is 300 milliseconds. So I was saying that the speed of blinking is now decreasing. I think you've enjoyed the project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy more of such projects and more interesting stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.